We're at TT249. That's a 2015 Dodge Dart. It has 21,781 miles with a 2.4 liter motor I have running at Lews Auto Service in South. Down and show you the rest of the vehicle. It's been hit pretty hard in the back end. Show you the inside of this car, then we'll try to attempt to move it. I'll show you my speedometer here first, so you guys can see the mileage. Let's do my driver's side window. Passenger side window. Here's the passenger side rear window. And now we do the driver's side rear window. All of them seem to be working good. We're going to attempt the sunroof here. That's working. Radio. I'm not sure how to turn that on. Isn't that a shame? Let's see. Now let's do the heater AC. I know how to do that. Switch it over. I'm having no luck with either one of them. I must have knocked something loose. I can't show you nothing on the radio either. Or the heater AC control for that. Alright, let's do a transmission here. Let's try our trains out and see what we got. See if I can move it. Let's forward. Let's see what I can do reverse. Thing's still moving. Alright, the motor and trains is good in this vehicle. Again, it's going to be a TT249 2015 Dodge Dart, a GT style. It's got the 2.4 liter with 21,781. I don't know if it's the operator malfunction or if it's the radio itself. You can call for details. We'll try it a little closer, but evidently I'm not smart enough to operate this thing. Again, that's at Lews Auto Service and Salvage. We thank you.